So guys, OnePlus is all set to announce the new OnePlus CE, which is somewhat of a replacement of the OnePlus Nord, but not really. It is not much cheaper but also not much different, so it is kind of weird. The smartphone is set to be announced on 10th of June in India, and the global launch could follow soon if the smartphone is received well in India, which I have some doubts about. But before we talk about those, man, is OnePlus going to screw up their smartphone names? OnePlus Nord CE, that makes no sense. It's like OnePlus is looking at monitor names and like, yeah, that sounds good. Let's call our next phone OnePlus Nord CR005 XT4. But the name aside, this is how the smartphone will look like. If I remove the OnePlus logo, this design is very forgettable. Most of the Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi phones from 2 years back looked like this, just with an additional fingerprint scanner. I am not saying that this is a bad looking phone, instead it is quite opposite of that. It looks good but it is very forgettable, and the old OnePlus we loved would have never done it. The OnePlus 2, 3 were very memorable designs, but the new OnePlus seems to have given up on making memorable things. We can see that the smartphone has triple cameras, which includes a 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth lens. So OnePlus has now removed the macro sensor which was present on the original Nord, but other than that it will be almost exactly the same camera as the one found on the OnePlus Nord. The smartphone also uses a 6.4 inches Full HD 1080 into 2400p display with a refresh rate of 90Hz, which is again guys literally the exact same as the one found on the OnePlus Nord, but because it's cheaper, so it should be a good thing, right? Well, yes. The thing is that it is cheaper, but it's not much cheaper. It is just 2000 rupees, about $25 cheaper, and for that money we get one less camera, exact same display, same storage options, a different but same level processor, and a return of a fan favorite feature, which is the only real redeeming quality about this smartphone. If it weren't for this feature, this phone would have been a real big meh. So the OnePlus Nord CE will mark the return of the headphone jack on the OnePlus smartphones. The OnePlus Nord didn't have a headphone jack, and neither does any of its current flagships. At this price, it is not uncommon for phones to have headphone jack. Instead, most of them do have headphone jacks, but OnePlus was one of the only ones without the headphone jack, so they are bringing it back, which makes the new Nord CE kind of worth existing. Otherwise it was just the Nord but $25 cheaper and comes with a newer Android version. The smartphone is going to be priced at 23,000 Indian rupees, which is $315, and you can get a 1000 rupees discount on HDFC cards. OnePlus will also be launching 3 TVs in the OnePlus TV U1S lineup. The 50 inches model will cost 38,000 rupees, the 55 inches will cost 46,000 rupees, and the 65 inches will cost 61,000 rupees, but you will have a cashback of 2, 3 and 4,000 respectively again on HDFC cards. Guys, let me know your thoughts about the OnePlus Nord CE. Do you think it is worth existing? I know it is a better deal for the money than the Nord, but it is mostly the same smartphone, just repackaged with a headphone jack. But guys, that headphone jack makes it redeemable for me. Anything that has a headphone jack, I will take it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can say hi to me over on Twitter. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.